innovation, enterprising sincerity, and unity. Ablelite light up the life of art with sun tech. Inspired to become a global leader in professional lighting equipment. Guangzhou Ablelite Electronic Company is a high-technology enterprise. Established in 2012 and currently has more than 150 employees, the company is deeply engaged in business of professional stage lighting, cultural and tourism lighting, theater, film, television lighting, and entertainment lighting. Ablelite is an enterprise integrating its design, research and development, production, sales, one-stop solutions. After years of sincere development, it is rated as national high-tech enterprise and specialized, refined, and innovative small and medium-sized enterprises. Ablelite has a very strong R&D team full of creative idea and abundant lighting experience, covering fields like optics, cooling, electronics, software, and mechanical structure design. All products are independently developed and company own 100% intellectual property rights. The R&D has an average dozens of new products are developed every year in order to ensure the stable quality of products in mass production. Ablelite R&D verification is also very scientific and rigorous. The company has invested quite a lot on testing equipment such as visual goniophotmeter, waterproof and dustproof testers, cMETus, high and low temperature chamber, integrating sphere, vibration machine, and many other advanced testing equipments. A well-organizational structure and quality system is the foundation of good quality products. All employees have a strong sense of ownership regarding production quality, safety, efficiency, delivery time, and cost. We have been constantly improving and striving for excellence, taking product quality as the lifeline of the company's survival and development. As a manufacturer focusing on professional stage lighting products, Ablelite produces various types moving heights with light or discharge lamp, theater lighting such as light profile, 默认纹板, light bars, outdoor waterproof moving heights, power lights, bedroom lights, and other professional lighting equipment, with power ranging from 50W to 1400W. All series products have passed CE, ROHS, ROHS, cTUVus, cETLus, cMETus, FCC, KC, CB, and other international certifications. Ablelite's products are popular in more than 30 countries and regions around the world. We have participated in the opening ceremony of the 2018 Pyeongchang Paralympic Games in South Korea, SBS TV show, the famed lighting show of the famous Hotel Royal in Las Vegas, and the global tour concerts of the American heavy metal group, the Voice of Italy, the Force of Germany, Marriott Hotel in Taiwan, Croatia's concert with 10,000 people, Guangzhou International Light Festival, and a lot of other famous projects. Ablelite's products are shining on stages all around the world. Ablelite adheres to the business philosophy of co-creation and win-win. We have always maintained deep cooperation with customers and suppliers, providing employees with a happy and open work platform,
providing stable and reliable products and first-class services for the global lighting industry.
Let us work together and create a better tomorrow for Ablelite.